So here are some of the tools that are out that were necessary to get the engine running. So to start with, I pulled the points out of the distributor from underneath there after removing the cap and the rotor. Cleaned them, put them back in, then attached the leads for the dwell meter, and with just the engine cranking, the needle points at 30. It's supposed to be between 28 and 32. Then, I don't know if you probably can't see it. Probably, let's see, where the heck is it? Alright, so underneath there, right there is the pointer. And I rotated the engine until I tried to find two lines. I could only find one line. I rotated the engine with a brush. Hence the brush here, and marked a Sharpie on the only real line I could find, and then kind of guesstimated where the other one would be. Then I turned the engine until the pointer was pointing at what I believe is the 6 degree before top dead center. Maybe it's 8 degree. Anyway, and then rotated the distributor in the anti-timing direction, anti-rotation direction, until the light came on that I had connected to the minus sign of the coil, minus side of the coil, and that indicated to me that the points had just opened. Put the cap back on. I shot some gas down through the vent hole of the carburetor. And by the way, the key does work now, but for starting the engine, and this is with the new used battery. I've got the charger plugged to it, I've got the timing light plugged to it, and I've got the ground plugged to it so that I can see if the oil pressure light goes off. So far it hasn't, but let's turn it on and listen to it run a little bit more. I've put some more gas in there. I haven't put any in the tank yet. I will next. Let's just listen to this. Alright, so the key is on. That test light right there in line with the oil pressure. Okay, so that's used up what little gas I put in to the bowl through the vent. So now I'll go back and pour gas into the tank and we'll see what happens. So it's kind of smoky in here, but alright, so it's kind of smoky in here, but that wheel was turning. Check the transmission fluid level. Hopefully all the smoke coming from the engine compartment is just crap burning off from all the animals that were in here. That wheel is going well. It's just one side is sticking and one side's not. We'll let things warm up a little bit more.